everybody, welcome back to another weekly craft video. My name's Tori and I'm here in the Whitewater Public Library's Makerspace. Well, our summer reading program has already gotten started. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure you go to whitewaterlibrary.beanstack.org and sign up the whole family to participate in the program and win some awesome prizes. Otherwise, just stop by the library. You can get information about the program and check out some books as well. So this week our craft is for kids and it's on theme with our summer reading program theme. We have an animal theme this year. So this week we are going to be making these adorable little turtles out of some craft sticks and some yarn. So you're going to get enough to make 3 of these turtles in your craft kit this week. Let's get started. So we only need a few common materials to make this craft. You may already have these items at home, but if you do pick up a kit from the library, you are going to get some different colored yarn and 9 popsicle sticks, enough to make 3 of these little turtles. At home, you're going to need some glue. It doesn't really matter what sort of glue. You can certainly use a hot glue gun if you have it. You might want to grab a black marker, or this is just a felt tip pen that I have. And then if you want, you could grab a green marker or a green crayon. It doesn't matter, either will work for this project. First, you want to color your craft sticks green, or really any color that you would like. So for these, I used crayon, and these ones I did with a green marker. Whatever you have at home will work just fine. Then you want to glue together 3 of the craft sticks in a shape just like this. So now we have this sort of star shape and we're ready to start wrapping our turtle. So I'm going to grab it and I'm going to let a little bit of a tail of yarn hang off the bottom. We're going to use that later. And I just want to wrap it a few times around the center just to hold everything in place. So I'm going to wrap it 3 times there and then kind of switch over to the next little section and wrap it 3 times there, 3, and then switch to the next section and do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And now that's just kind of securing everything in place, and I still have this little tail hanging off the end there. Now I'm going to start working my way around my turtle, and I can't really use a traditional weaving technique with this because I have an even number of little sticks coming off here. There's 6 of them. So weaving usually works best with an odd number, and we have an even number. So I'm going to show you how to wrap your turtle using a technique. It's called the God's Eye technique. I don't know if any of you have ever made one of those before. But what you're going to do is you're always going to go over the stick and then wrap around it, just like this. I'll show you. So you have your yarn, and I'm going to go to this stick here. I'm going to go over it and wrap around. Come back up, and now I'm going on to this one. I'm going to go over it, wrap around, come back on, and move on to the next one. This one here, go over it, wrap around, and go to the next one. Over it, wrap around, go to the next one. And you're just going to continue on like that, working your way out. And you can wait until you run out of this color if you want, or you can cut your yarn and tie it together with a different color, a new piece, so that you can change the color of your yarn whenever you feel like you want to do that. So just continue working your way around, add a new piece whenever you feel like you need to, and then I'll meet you back here when I'm done with this one. So once you only have a little bit of your craft stick sticking out still, as you can see here, I want to have a little bit of space to draw his little face and his feet. So once you get to that point, this is where we're going to use this little piece that we left out in the beginning. I'm going to take this piece of yarn that I was working with and tie it together on the back side of my turtle with that other tail end and make a little knot. Like that. And now I can decide which one I want to be his face and his legs and his tail and draw them on. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this craft activity. The library offers a new craft kit for kids every other week. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Find us at 431 West Center Street, Whitewater, Wisconsin 53190. Our current hours are Mondays through Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., Fridays from 9 a.m. through 5:30 p.m., Saturdays from 9 a.m. through 3 p.m., and Sundays we are closed. To keep up to date, add us on social media. And for more information, please visit our website at www.whitewaterlibrary.org or our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/ILYPL.